Hello, my name is Dr. Hamida Megani, and I am Halton Region's Medical Officer of Health. Recently, I've talked a lot about preventative measures for COVID-19, including washing your hands frequently, covering your cough or sneeze, frequently cleaning objects around you, and physical distancing. While physical distancing includes staying home as much as possible, you can still go outside for a walk with your family, walk your dog, or go to the grocery store if you need to. If you must go out into the community, there are a number of things that you can do to help protect yourself and others. If you are picking up supplies, reach out to those at high risk and see if you can get them anything. You could also pick up supplies for friends or family who have returned from travel and are self-isolating. Remember, if you are picking up essentials or shopping for others, drop the items at their door. This is not an excuse for a visit. Plan ahead and bring a list of items. Try shopping during non-peak hours to ensure there are fewer shoppers out at the same time. Don't bring your whole family to the store. Identify one person to go out and pick up your supplies. Practice good hygiene and wash your hands before entering the store and as soon as you leave. If using a cart, wipe down the handle with a disinfectant wipe and only touch what you need. Use self-checkout if it's available and sanitize your hands before and after use. Give people their space. Maintain a 2-meter distance from others while shopping. Finally, while picking up essentials, I ask that you think of others and only take what you need. Panic stocking and hoarding supplies leaves those who are most vulnerable without the items they need to get through these challenging times. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of our essential workers, including those who are working hard to ensure we have access to the supplies we need. This is how we stop the spread of the virus together, one person at a time doing their part. Remember, everything we do today can help reduce the spread of COVID-19. Go to our website, halton.ca/COVID-19, for more information on how you can do your part.